Okay guys, so we're gonna change the air filter now. Pretty simple to do. Here's a part number if you're gonna do the Wix one. Came to my local automotive store, O'Reilly's, aka where my friend Rodolfo and Axel work. Peep out Axel's car, and Rodolfo's car is on the other side over there. Shout out to Rodolfo for, you know, taking care of me. And this is a new one, so let me show you guys how to install it. Then you pop the hood up, and it's just these two bolts, one on each side, and then you're gonna push this up like that, and then you pop it out. It's pretty dirty from the bottom, as you can see. The top part's still pretty clean. This one's pretty easy to follow since the thing it has a shape. It's always good to clean that up. And you're gonna put it in, and then you just put this back in there, and you close it up, and that's it. Job well done.